Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. My name is Arida Sari. Now I want to present my presentation chapter 5. The title is National Language and Language Planning. National Language and Language Planning. Paraguay is the only Latin American national with a distinctive national language, Guarani. Guarani is an indigenous American Indian language spoken. Paraguayans are generally happy to recognize Spanish as a useful language for official business. National and official language. In sociolinguistics, the distinction between a national language and an official language is generally made along the effective referential dimension, or more precisely in this context, the ideological instrumental dimension. A national language is the language, cultural and social unit. An official language, by contrast, is simply a language which may be used for government business. Example 1. Guarani in Paraguay. Example 2. Bislama in Vanuatu. Official status and minority language, as well as its values as a world language and international lingua franca. English is an official language in many countries throughout the world. Example, Hindi in India. What prize a national language? Many countries regarded the development of a single national language as a way of symbolizing the unity of a nation. Planning for a national official language. Selection. Choosing the variety as coded to be developed. Codification. Standardizing its structural or linguistic features. Elaboration. Extending its function for use in new domains. Securing its acceptance. The status of the new variety is important, and so people's attitudes to the variety being developed must be considered. Tanzania, selecting a code. Lingua franca is a national official language, codifying and elaborating Swahili. Codification involved developing a standard spelling system describing the grammar of the variety selected as the new standard and writing a dictionary to record its vocabulary. Example 3, Tanzania, and example 4, education, court, and areas of government in Swahili. Attitudes to Swahili. The role of Swahili unifying the people of Tanzania to work for independence guaranteed its prestige and assertive attitudes. The charisma of Nyerere himself carried over to the language he used extensively in his speeches and his political writing. He used it in domains where formerly English had been used exclusively, and this to increase its status. Developing a standard variety in Normai. The language and array of Norwegian dialects as the L varieties but no standard Norwegian language. The example, BM is Bokmål and NN is Nynorsk are two competing varieties of Norwegian. The language role in language planning. Language planning activity has altered from the promotion of national and official language in countries trying to establish their autonomy. Example 8. The Kanak Language Academic. Developing vocabulary. In advising others on use, they are often faced with the dilemma of this option to recommend a word borrowed from English, an equivalent Mario word which is perhaps not well known or with a slightly different meaning which can be adapted. A word newly created from Maori research. Example, Te Reo in Maori Language Commission. Acquisition planning. Language planners may become asked to advise about a range of issues as the target of the language promotion effort. Example 11. In India, newspaper and radio promote knowledge of Hindi. Conclusion. Language planning is David most simplified as deliberate language change. Language planners focus on specific language problem. The example, a New Zealander moved to England. I think my presentation is enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.